Hello, today we will guide you through how to verify Whop Account. To get started, open Whop and head to your dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your account and access your settings. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log in first so you can follow along without interruptions. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account. This will open the account menu where you can access personal options related to your Whop account. If you do not immediately see it, take a moment to look for your profile picture or account icon, since that is usually where account controls are located. After opening the profile menu, click on the Settings icon. This will take you into the section where you can manage important account preferences and security options. Settings is the place where you will make the changes needed to verify and better protect your account, so this is an important step. Inside Settings, find and click on Account Security. This section is specifically focused on keeping your account safe and confirming that your login details are properly secured. It is also where Whop places the tools you need for verification. In the Account Security section, click on the option to add a phone number to verify your account. Enter your phone number carefully and follow any on-screen prompts to continue the verification process. In most cases, you may receive a code that needs to be entered to confirm ownership of the number. Be sure to use a number you can access right away so the process goes smoothly. After that, also enable the two-factor authenticator. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account by requiring a second verification step when you sign in. Usually this means linking an authenticator app and entering a code generated by that app. Take your time during the setup and make sure any backup or recovery details provided during the process are saved in a secure place, so you can still access your account if you change devices later. Once your phone number is verified and two-factor authentication is enabled, your Whop account will be more secure and properly set up for verification. It is a good idea to double-check that both settings are active before leaving the page. That's it for this guide on how to verify Whop Account. Thanks for following along.